The Agenda Roadmap 2020 comes to an end and we are celebrating the release of our first impact report.
The industry has changed a lot. A lot more people have gone from talking about greenwashing, talking just about social compliance, to really seeing how can they fit sustainability in their DNA.
We want to move forward, we need to start from the same kind of page. Circularity is a must. That is the future of fashion. But to make it happen, everybody needs to work together.
So we're really connecting the dots here between designers that create the impact by designing the products and the input chemistry.
If we put good chemistry into the product or into the processes to make the product, you'll get good output. So good output could mean clean air, cleaner water, cleaner product.
Our first approach of collaborating with AMFI is pretty much connecting the designers and educating on the impact of chemistry in order to avoid this recycling of hazardous chemistry throughout the design process.
AMFI is unique in its position because it's between the industry and between the art world. We have to join forces to make a difference, to see how we can change the educational system, but also the fashion industry.
The whole idea of sustainability has become necessary or even fundamental for a fashion institute like this is. We need to ask ourselves if we're still in the position of enabling people to create more and more products.
AMFI's focus on circularity really benefits from the work of ZDHC. Both of us are united in the mission to clean up the industry and doing it from different angles, but in a very complementary way. We try to teach students about circular design, which for us means design for minimal waste, design for durability and design for cyclability.
I think we all have the possibility to recycle, reuse and also think about the afterlife of clothes. That's what I also try to do, everything recycled, nothing new.
My garments are supposed to be a 10-piece uniform. Everything is 100% natural and also everything is 100% biodegradable, so if you would throw everything on the compost heap, in 4 years the entire collection would be gone and vanished.
My collection can be deconstructed to the wool fiber and then be rebuilt again into textile, yarn or even garments again.
My whole designing process happens actually on this computer right here. There are no limitations in color, in shapes, in materials. My collection is made out of PVC waste banners and flags. And I have to say that this material is still plastic, but I wanted to show and visualize also the huge waste production, because I think that the current fashion system needs to change its whole designing and work process.
Well, I'm personally very inspired by the banners, by the PVC banners, which is a really good example on how you can upcycle products if there was not the showstopper of hazardous chemistry in those products. So this is a really good example on how chemistry in the input control can really change a complete product life cycle.
From the AMFI students, one thing that screams to me is really innovation. There's a lot of creative thinking out there, and that is important to actually shift and move the industry towards circularity.
Fashion is colorful, fashion is beautiful, and fashion should be fun. So is chemistry.